channel. So it is currently 11:47. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's 11:47 p.m. and I am really tired, but I need to do something for my hair tomorrow. Tomorrow is Bella's Christmas play at her school, and I need to look presentable. So I'm gonna wear my real hair. This is my hair in its natural state. All the thing I did was just add some conditioner and I used some conditioner and some coconut oil. And so this is the dried result of it. Now I like this, but I want it to be like a little bit more done up. So I'm gonna be using some elixir rods. And I apologize if I'm not having like my bubbly personality. I'm just really tired. It's been a long day. Alright. So with my hair usually gets dry pretty quickly. So in order for me to keep it moisturized, I have to I wash my hair like twice a week, and I make sure I deep condition it, like so, like today. It has like some nice volume and got some movement and bouncing. But yeah, so let's get right into it. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna do is just like use one of these combs, wide tooth shower comb, and I'm just gonna like go through it. Alright, done with that part. Like I said, you know, you do all the baby hairs and all that stuff when you wake up. I'll have the final results when I wake up. And then after that, it's going to be a get ready with me video. Or do I want it to be like a, I don't know, it's either going to be a get ready with me video or it's going to be a Christmas look tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am getting ready for Bella's Christmas Christmas celebration party at her school. They're having a little program tonight. So I am just now taking these rollers out of my head and they have been hurting. So let's go ahead and get started. like run my fingers through them. Like kind of like pull them apart. Pretty much it, so tell me what you guys think. I really like this look actually. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup really quickly. Make sure you tune into the next video to see how this makeup look turned out, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.